Oh, that's not it. Apply the 10X real quick. B-E-A, beautiful stuff right here.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Yes, I know. It is me. I'm the guy that bought Prelude Vandal. 877 winners. Congratulations to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Bets are now open. Please place your bets. You play Valorant? Oh, yes, of course I do that. Yes, of course I do that. Big time. I'm a Valorant enjoyer. What can I say? I mean, I'm a Counter-Strike mainer, you know? I'm a Counter-Strike mainer. I main Counter-Strike, but since the cheating problem, I started playing Valorant. Congrats, still waiting for the Garanami. My friend at IQ always were, wait, Sen gets a 20X from the top slot. Yoski broski, if we hit this 10 that's coming up, I'm gonna absolutely lose my marbles. I have lost my marbles. That's a 10 with a 20X. Okay, that means boss cut incoming. Because that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a 200X multiplier for the bets that were placed on 10. 1004 winners, super special, congratulations. Please, cousins and aunties, yes sir, hey, woo, Swayze baby, look at that. Who's coming up on the same numbers, quadruple that management, cha-ching. Thank you very much, have a nice day ladies and gentlemen. 400X is going to be the maximum multiplier we can do. Okay, we're back. Multipliers mixed up and hidden behind targets. You make a choice, ladies and gentlemen. Which target are we picking? Where we reckon is gonna be the highest multiplier of the day? You feel me? If you don't pick, don't worry. The system picks for you. Boom! That's gonna be an 80X on my favorite spot. Let's go, Trent. 400X somewhere else on the board as well. Right there, you see it. 1,249 winners. Congratulations to all of you. Now you are Sakalam. All right, Jimmy Long Sakalam. Yes, sir. Strongest man alive. Absolute god. Little calm 80, little calm reverse parameter or whatever, you know. Come on, back to back, non-stop, back to back. $100,000.
Betting time now, guys. Jill says, man, I like this session. Hey, I'm happy to hear that. I do obviously try my best for you guys, but, you know, when it comes to the segments, you know, I do give the wheel a push, but, you know, it isn't always that easy to get those bonus rounds. So that is that. 5X crazy time, guys. Do a backflip. I wish I could do one, mate. If I could do like a backflip all the time, I would probably do it. No way! Below 10 minutes! Crazy time with a 5X. Let's go! Get in, my lords! Oh man. Welcome to Crazy Time, guys. Woo! Okay, so we got a Crazy Time with a 5X. Can I get a ho, ho, ho? Let's multiply everything on the wheel 5 times here, guys. You ready? Are you ready for the time of your lives, guys? Okay, so now, ladies and gentlemen, the big decision that you must make. Choose the team that you want to be a part of. 3 teams, green, blue, yellow. No rush, guys. This is a big decision here, right, that you have to make. Most people have gone with the blue flapper again. 500 is the max multi. All right, let's spin it, bro. Okay, blue team, you better make some noise. 250 for you guys. 75 for green, 50 for yellow. Yo, team blue. Can I get a 6,562 winners. Chat, B, and Notorious top 3. Nice. Welcome newcomers again to Crazy Time. Nice little two.
As long as one player can appreciate my mustache, I'm good for today. Pachinko has arrived, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. No. A lot of obstacles in the way. So I have to navigate. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some multipliers for you. Here's a 3X. Just a small appetizer. 5, 7, a 10, and 15, and 20, 35, 40, and 100, and a double. And now top slot multiplier gets involved. 3X improves the values below. Wish you good luck, players. So, if my math is correct, and it's highly doubtable, maximum multiplier is 300X. Good luck. All right, where does it go? I expected nothing less. 300X multiplier. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. 4,768 players won the game with a 300X multiplier. Great job. Look at Sky over there. 17,951 euro win. Incredible job. Bets open now. Ready to go again? And the betting time is over. Thank you. Top slot. Crazy time. 3 times multiplier.
Yo, W, you there, man? I guess he might have left. 1.7 thousand winners. Enjoy. Another spin. Here we go. And there's our spin, guys. Good luck. Please drop a crazy time. Well, let's see if we can get a 4X on crazy time. All the time that Eli, they questioned me on it. 4X crazy time! Me lords and me ladies! Can I get a... Get in, me lord, me lords! And yes, ladies and gentlemen, y'all already know what's happening, guys. 4X crazy time. Let's bring that 4X multiplier that we got from the wheel onto this one, guys. Out from the top slot, I mean. Here we go. You ready? Can I get a in the chat, guys, if you're hyped up for this crazy time bonus round? So now, ladies and gentlemen, you'll be divided into 3 separate teams. Green, blue, yellow. Choose wisely, as this is going to determine how much money you'll be walking away with. Here we go, guys. 400. Maybe we can get some doubles. Yeah! Well, ladies and gentlemen, 80X for Team Blue, 100 for Team Yellow. But let's double the fun for Team Green, baby. Green never fails, does it, guys? Okay. Max multi, 800. All right, let's spin it, bro. Good luck. Woo! Team Green, make some noise! 400 for Team Green, 80X for Team Blue, 100 for Team Yellow. Here we go, guys. 4,881 of you won. PW, Little, and Mickey, top 3. Green made it rain money. Let's go. Come on, Green team. Make some noise. Green team. Green team. PW, Andrej, and Buzz Driver, top 3 winners from the Crazy Time bonus round. All the top winners had a 400. Nicely done, guys. Welcome newcomers to Crazy Time.
Seeing this, bro? Pack your bags, ladies and gentlemen. We're all aboard. Next stop, Crazy Time. Let's go. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We are here. And you know what? With extra cheese, everybody apply the multis on the wheel, please. That is what I'm talking about, guys. That's not it. Apply the 10X real quick. B-E-A-U-X.
a beautiful stuff right here, ladies and gentlemen. Now the most important part. Pick your flopper, ladies and gentlemen. Green, blue, or yellow. All right. Green, blue, or yellow. Things are starting to heat up right here. All right, couple seconds left for your decisions, ladies and gentlemen. I know it's tough to make a decision right here. Biggest multi on the wheel, 1000X. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Ho, 500 for...
Kickout players enjoy. You want another one, Paul, since you missed that one? Another little one? Whoop! And another carrot, Ray. Hey, hi. The annoying orange is back, and that's me. How are you, Ray? How come you're not in the usual uniform? I don't know. I decided today I'm going to wear a little princess dress, and that's it. For one last time, I'll wear a princess dress. The other days, nah. 7X on cash hunt. Whoa. Wait, come on. Woo! 7X cash hunt, baby. Woo! Whoop. Hi, the annoying orange is back. Welcome. So, 75X, 500X. Guys. Chill. I'm very, very chill. Wait. I'm so chill. Like 3500X. What was that? Yeah, anyways, so we got a full wall of multipliers, a beautiful triple, even quadruple digit multipliers, guys. 3500X somewhere on the wall there. You have 108 symbols. Shoot your shot, guys. Please be careful. This is some serious business right here. 3500X. Shoot your shot. 108 chances. If you don't want to make your decision, or if you don't make any decision, Autopic is going to pick it for you. I see the 3,500 right away, right here. Bro. 520 right there. 525 right there.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.